I am going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this card holder that is MagSafe, whether it can fit on your phone, does it work with a case, everything, how many cards does it hold, can it hold cash? I'm going to cover everything for you. So this is exactly what it looks like. Let's take a little bit of a closer look here. So I got 3 cards in here right now. And it has on the back kind of like a slot right over here that you could use. You could get 4 cards in here technically, but it's hard to pull the cards out. If you have 3 in here, it's no big deal. My phone has a case on it, and it does stick with a case, so you don't have to worry about that. It's very slim. It's RFID blocking. You can see here when I'm texting or something, it doesn't really bother me at all. Um, so you could just see that right over here, and it just pulls off if you wanted that. In terms of, it does have a stronger stick right over here. If you do it to your actual phone, it does has a stronger hold. So just note that. I have not found any issues with using it with my case that it falls off or anything like that. So in terms of getting cards in and out, they just slide in very easily. So you don't have to worry about anything like that. In terms of cash, if you want to use this just for cash, you get like about 5 different bills in here. If you like folded it up just like that. So you could just kind of put that in just like this, and you don't really have to worry about it. And then you can just put this on your phone. And then you just have it like that. So if you wanted to do cash or bills, really easy. Fits all the different iPhones. For the cash, it's really not meant for cash, but like I said, you could do it if you want. So if you are looking for a great card holder that can hold 3 to 4 cards, it depends on how thick your cards are, has the RFID blocking, can go with a phone, just stick to a phone, or even do it when your phone is in the case. You can't go wrong with this. It does come in all different colors and styles. So if you're not into the black, you could grab that. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I really, really like this a lot. This is perfect when you go to events that don't take cash. You don't want to bring a wallet. Just throw your most popular cards and maybe an ID in here, and you're good to go. And it also makes a great gift.